Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today's look is going to be a holiday inspired look. I'm going to be doing a soft eye with a very bold lip. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Let's get started. The first thing I like to do is go in and put on my concealer. I feel like this is easier for me to do it this way versus doing the foundation first. I've already prepped my face with Prep and Prime, and I've also put on my Nivea cream because I have very dry skin underneath this. I did start putting on my foundation from the Fenty Beauty foundation line. Unfortunately, I did run out, so please excuse the fact that I'm just using what I have left. So what I am doing here is I am just blending everything in with my Beauty blending sponge. I did make sure that I did wet it, so it is damp. It makes it a lot easier to blend everything together and make sure it look flawless. Now see here, I am putting a little bit of that on my eye. I like to use that as a eyeshadow base. It's just a very small amount of concealer. Okay, so after everything is blended well, I'm going to go ahead and move on over to my eyebrows. Just so you guys know, I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Soft Brown. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of that same concealer and I am going to try to clean up the brows a little bit. My eyebrows are awful right now, I do apologize, so I am working with what I have. And I am using the Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer by Too Faced in the color Natural Beige. And I am using this underneath my brows, and I used it for my under eye concealer as well. Okay, so now I'm going to set my foundation and my concealer. I am using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in the color Cashew. Okay, so now moving on to the eyes, I am using the Morphe palette. This is the Bronze Babe 9B palette. here I am just adding on my eyeshadow from that same Morphe palette, Bronze Babe. The color looks like it's from Sunny's, I believe. Honestly, you can use any type of shimmer eyeshadow here. So at this point, what I am doing is just making sure everything is blended in and adding a little more eyeshadow to the eye base just to make it look and appear more vibrant. Now I am going to bronze the face, and I am using the contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am the color light to medium. Okay, so now moving on to the blush. I am using NYX. Color is Mocha Mocha. I am adding just very little because I am not a big fan of blush. Okay, so now I am adding my highlight. I am using Becca. The color is in Opal. And I did also put on a little bit of mascara as well while I prep my eyelashes. Okay, so here I am adding some contour to my nose. I did forget to contour my nose, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so I did go ahead and add on some more mascara, and I did add on my eyelashes as well. Now we're moving on to the lips, and I am using the NYX Liquid Suede. The color is Kitten Heels. And I am also going to be using a second shade, which is the Cherry Skies. And then for my middle, for the ombre lip, to make the ombre lip, I am using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. The color is Instabelle, if I said that correctly. What I did is I mixed all three colors together just to make that perfect red that I was looking for. So you can either mix them or you can make an ombre lip with the three that I named off to you guys. Okay guys, so yep, this is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. And please do not forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. As my daughter would say, bye!